Greetings from the Dingmans Creek Trailhead in Pennsylvania. Today we are going to do a short but really cool hike to Dingmans Falls. So Gary is working unfortunately today, so I took my mom along for the trip. Say hi, Mom. Hi. Here we go. We've only been on the trail for like 10 seconds, but we already made it to Silver Thread Falls. I think we are here for perfect fall colors today. Lots of yellow, looks beautiful. Dingmans Falls. It's been raining a lot lately, so it is really flowing strong. It looks amazing. One last view of Dingmans Falls. We're gonna try to find this staircase to climb to the top of their waterfall. We're walking up a staircase that we saw that was right before the falls. I think this takes you to the top, so we're gonna trek on up and see where it takes us. So I couldn't get my handstand picture right in front of the waterfall because it was a complete ice skating rink. We had to take it a little bit further back, but we still got it. One last view of Silver Thread Falls before we head back to the car.